So Brandon Crowell is first on the line.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you hear me, Mr. Crowell?
I can.
Take this thing off since I'm away from everybody. All right, Mr. Crowell, you should see in the screen there, that's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
Sir, state's offer is $255 in court supervision.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the $255?
I could pay it by this Friday if that's okay.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I'll just put on there 30 days. It gives you some time.
Okay. Mail that in or just bring it down to the courthouse, either way.
Either way, actually, there's a third way. There's a site called paytrafficfine.org. So it's paytrafficfine.org, which is a site where you can pay it online if you want to try that.
Okay, great.
All righty.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
You're good to go. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I got Katara Burwell.
Thank you very much.
Are you Miss Burwell?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The other individual on the screen there is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see whether or not you want to resolve. I have the two tickets. I have unlicensed and the uninsured. So go ahead.
I do see some insurance. Looks like she had it at the time, so we can dismiss that insurance ticket for compliance,
All right.
Your Honor. Regarding the unlicensed ticket, are you getting your license back?
I've actually never had my license. I was actually going to get my license, but we got pulled over for I really don't even know.
The state's offer would be $255 in court supervision.
You said what? I can hear you.
The offer is if you, you'll get supervision and there'll be a $255 fine, and I'd be asking you how long you need to pay that.
Actually, I can pay that on my next payday if possible.
Okay. You want me to give you 30 days? Is that enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
So that's all I have to pay just to get my license if I wanted to go get them?
No, this is just deals with the ticket. You would have to, your license itself, you would deal with the Secretary of State.
Okay.
This is just dealing with the ticket that you got back in August.
Another option is too that we could continue this out for another date. In which case, if you got your license between now and the next date, if you come with a valid license, we would dismiss this ticket, and you would essentially save yourself $255.
Well, I can do that too. I mean,
Okay. Why don't we give you time? If you're planning on getting a license, why don't we do that? We'll set it over. Okay. What date did you want?
30 days, enough time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's fine.
No worries. October 25th, that'll be a Monday.
Okay.
30 days from now. It's going to be set at it's going to be set at 1:30 p.m. in courtroom 6C in person. You're going to have to sign up for Zoom again, okay?
Okay.
And then just make sure you submit a copy of your valid driver's license like you did with the insurance, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
I'll still show the insurance though is dismissed. So it's just the license ticket that we'll deal with.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Questions about anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're good to go then. We'll see you on that date. Thank you.
All right.
I got Craig Johnson's on the list next. No audio yet.
Sorry, it's insurance. It looks like.
Yeah.
Mr. Johnson, can you hear us?
His speakers aren't connecting.
Put him back in the waiting room.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him back in.
You're more patient than I am.
All right, next on the list then, so Mr. Johnson is back. Emily Leafers. Can you hear me, Ms. Leafers?
Yes, I can.
All right. The other individual on the screen there is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 17. My mom should be on here in a little bit
Okay.
With you or on a separate Zoom?
on a separate Zoom.
What's her name in case she's on here?
Laura Rogers.
Let me see if she's in the waiting room. Yep. Let me get her on.
Okay.
Is that her? Is that her picture?
Yes, that is her.
Her audio is not connecting yet, so.
She is currently in Texas on vacation, so I'm not sure how well.
Hey, we might have it here.
Okay.
Maybe.
Laura, can you hear us?
Yes. Again, I don't think her speakers have it connected.
Thought it was worth a shot, Judge.
Yeah. What I can do is I can put you both back in the waiting room, and then we can see if maybe we can still get this resolved. I'm just going to put you back in the waiting room, go through some others, and see if we can figure out what the issue is with the audio.
Really quick, Your Honor, if I may make a suggestion.
Sure.
Well, she's in the waiting room.
Oh, hang on. Can you hear me, Ms. Rogers?
So we
might have it here.
Okay.
Can you hear me, Ms. Rogers? We can unmute, but she's not unmuting.
I could try and call her on my phone and have her be right here with me if that's.
That was going to be my suggestion.
Yeah, that's fine. You can go ahead and try that.
Have your mom on speakerphone, and then she could be present via your Zoom.
Hello? Okay, here she is.
Are you Ms. Rogers?
Yes,
For some reason, we weren't able to get your audio to connect there with the Zoom. So just so you know, the state is going to make an offer to Emily with regard to the speeding ticket to see if you guys want to resolve that. Go ahead.
Okay, state's offer is $255 in court supervision. Then she would have to attend a Saturday traffic safety school, which would be online.
Does that make sense?
That makes sense. So this, with the supervision, does that allow it not to go on her record?
Correct.
Correct, yep.
And the traffic school, that'll be set, like a set time when, so who organizes that?
You can go to the Sangamon County Circuit Clerk's website, and it should give you information on how to access that traffic school. It's usually on a Saturday. Again, you just do it online. I think somebody told me Lincoln Land actually runs that, but it's online.
Is it an all-day thing or a couple hours?
I've heard it's like 3 to 4 hours.
Okay,
Does that sound like a plan?
I think so. So 250 court supervision and then the traffic school.
Yeah, it's excuse me.
$255 in court supervision.
Yeah, it's $255.
That works for me. As long as it doesn't go on her record, that would be fine.
All right. How long would you need to pay the $255?
Emily, Emily's paying it. So Emily, how long do you need?
I can probably just a couple of days. I can.
I'll give you 30 days.
Okay.
We'll put it for the end of next month. Yeah, you can pay it. You can mail it in. You can come to the building and pay it, the county building, or if you go to paytrafficfine.org, you can pay that online.
Okay.
All righty, does that work?
And that'll have the supervision or everything with it.
Correct.
We'll probably do that then.
That's fine then. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. And you go ahead and disconnect then.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you. Hayden. This is what takes the longest of anything.
Yeah, I mean,
Once you know what the problem is, that you can fix it.
it might not be our problem.
No,
A lot of these people are using 4G because they're on phones, so they could be.
Go back in the waiting room, try it again. Sure, that helps a whole lot. Kira Harris. This one's right. Can you hear me, Ms. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's another individual on the screen there that he is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see whether or not you want to how to resolve the expired registration ticket.
Your Honor, she has registration.
Okay.
They would be moving to dismiss this for compliance.
All right. We will show him that your ticket is dismissed for compliance. So that is all we need. You're good. As easy as that.
Yeah.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
See, Christine Valenti, I'm assuming that's Zachariah. Are you Zachariah?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. The other individual on the screen is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay,
State's offer is $280 in court supervision.
that sounds good. Thank you.
How long would you need to pay the 280?
I could pay it today.
Okay. You can, if you want, you can either come down to the county building or you can go to a site called paytrafficfine.org and you can pay
Okay.
that online.
Okay,
All righty?
okay, thank you.
All right. All right, you're good to go. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Lily, what's I'm not sure how to pronounce
What's that? Let's say that's correct.
that. Sit up. All right.
Okay, there we go.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, very good. There is in the screen there, you should see that's an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the ticket for using the electronic communication device.
State's offer is $255 in court supervision, and then you get the 10-day, I think it's like 2 or 3 hour traffic safety school on Saturday. It's online.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah, so I just pay the ticket still, right?
Yeah, it's $255 for the ticket.
Okay.
And I'll be asking you how long you need to pay that. But then there is the traffic school. So you'll need to go online, and it's usually on Saturdays, I believe, for a few hours on Saturday. And you can go to Sangamon County Circuit Clerk, and it will give you the information on how to access the traffic school.
Okay.
All right. And with regard to the $255, how long would you need to pay that?
Not long.
You need 30 days? You need longer than that?
30 days fine. Yeah.
Okay,
30
all right.
days.
Just get that paid in 30 days, and you can either pay that here in the county building, or for that, you can go to paytrafficfine.org and you can pay that online.
Okay. So if I do this, it doesn't go on my insurance or anything, right?
It will not show as a conviction, correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All righty, questions?
That's it.
Okay, you're good to go then.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Stephanie Collins.
Did she send registration in? Yeah.
Stephanie.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, maybe a picture. Can you hear me, Ms. Collins?
Yes, I can.
Very good. All right. The other individual on the screen there is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the expired registration ticket.
Hmm.
Do you have current registration?
I'm going to get it tomorrow because that's when I get paid. Because I've been in the hospital, so I just now return back to work.
All right, so I think the best thing to do would be to set this out. And then if you're willing to come to another court date, you can show us proof of your registration for this vehicle that you were ticketed on, and then we can dismiss it per compliance.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Are Are you available October 25th in the afternoon?
Yes, I am.
So
Then-
10:25, 1:30, 6:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And then it's going to be set for an in-person court call like this one was. You're going to have to sign up for Zoom again if that's what you want to do, all right?
Okay.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Yeah, so it'll be October 25 at 1:30 in 6C, or, like I say, before that, you can sign up for Zoom.
Okay.
All righty?
All right. I can do that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I don't remember if I tried Hayden or not. Let's try Hayden. Heck off.
All right, Judge?
Yeah, there's water in there. What to do with those?
I don't either.
Well, she disappeared, so. All right, well, let's go back and try. Let me get this Joshua Ronan. That's the one we're gonna have to get his case. on.
Yeah, I have his sheet.
Oh, you
right
have it?
here. Yep.
Oh, good.
Sorry about
Okay.
that.
Perfect. Thank you. See if we're successful. There we go.
Hello?
Can you hear me, Mr. Ronan?
Yes, could you hear me?
I can. The other individual on the screen is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the ticket for the failing to obey a stop sign.
Was there a traffic accident involved with this or no?
No.
Okay, state's offer is $255 in court supervision.
Were you able to hear that?
Yes.
Okay. Is that something you would want to do?
I'm just thinking about it.
Sure.
Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Let us know if you have any questions.
Well, what would the procedure be if I wanted to challenge the ticket though?
We would set you for a new date, and you would actually have to come in for that. We can't do those on Zoom. We can't do
But
travel.
$200 in supervision?
$255 in supervision. It means it won't show up on your record as a conviction. And if you want to do that, I would ask you how long you need to get that paid.
Ugh. Probably a month at least.
Oh, we'll give you whatever time you need. Yeah, that's fine. That's no problem.
You want to?
Yeah, we'll give you as long as you need.
Yeah, I accept.
Okay. You want me to give you 2 months? Is that long enough? 3 months?
Three.
Two,
Just
Three?
three because
Three?
yeah, I'm
That's fine.
behind.
December 27th.
Yep, that's no problem.
And then, Your Honor, what was the traffic number on that?
It is 21 TR 14805.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you. I got it written down. Thank you.
Okay, and you can either pay that at the building, you can mail it in, or you can go to paytrafficfine.org. So it's paytrafficfine, all together, paytrafficfine.org, and you can pay that online if you want.
Thank you.
All righty. All right, thank you, appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too, take care. One last chance here for Craig Johnson. Then the other two, no, sure. Oh, now paid neck health back. What to do with these? Yikes.
Your Honor, I'd say just go back and look.
Yeah, let me get Hayden back and see if we can get Hayden on now. What is that?
I hit that.
Is Hayden Eckhoff? Is this Hayden Eckhoff?
Yes.
Do you have video by any chance?
This is my mom's phone, so
Yeah,
one
hang on
second.
just a second. His phone was cracked, so we were trying to sign in on my phone. Now I got to figure out how to get him on the screen.
That's, if it's too much of a problem, I'll assume you are who you say you are.
Oh, wait, here we go.
So,
There he is.
okay, that's fine. Okay, all right. So Hayden,
Hey, can you take your hood off?
Yeah.
You're addressing the judge.
so the other individual on the screen there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the matter with regard to the expired registration.
I have a note on my file that says you're not going to be able to get new registration until 10/1. Is that correct?
Yes, that's Friday.
All right. So why don't we set you out for a short date? That'd be 10/25 at 1:30 p.m. in courtroom 6C. You're going to have to sign up for Zoom again if that's what you want to do. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
All
So
right.
I just have to just show the proof on another Zoom court.
Correct.
Yep. You can upload it ahead of time. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
I was just going to ask, can we come to convenience court on Friday?
Yep. You
Yes.
sure can.
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
Set out your court date either way, but
Okay.
it'd be good to come to convenience court.
Yeah, you can do
Okay.
that on a Friday at noon. Yep.
Either way, we'll have convenience court that Friday, the 25th.
Yep.
It's a Monday,
Okay.
but yeah.
Yes.
What time is that 25th court?
October 25th at 1:30 in courtroom 6C or on Zoom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
A good one.
You want to try Craig Johnson one more time, or what do you want to do with him? He's still in here.
We can try them, but
Yeah.
I'm
And then we
inclined
got
to.
the other two that say they never.
I would say we just end this call, Your Honor.
We've tried like 3 times now.
Yeah.
All right.